after the Purple Grapes and the Mud Skippers faced off, we're doing next semifinals. I'm pretty sure, with the Nature Lovers are defending champions and the Blood Roses. Both were decent in the first season, but how can they do in season 2? Let's find out. And down they come now, and everyone misses each other. Sorry. But the Blood Roses have 2 on. Somehow. Oh, yeah. Down they come now. And the Nature Lovers will not win another season of the Color Grid Collision. It is confirmed the Blood Roses will move on to the finals instead. With 2 on. Yeah, no, I like to talk to you guys. And they won all the matches. I know I got bet early, but who cares? But we won't see you for the third. We'll see you for the third place matchup. Nature Lovers up against the Purple Grapes. We'll see you for the finals. Bye.